Good afternoon, everyone. I am
Good
audible.
afternoon, ma'am.
Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am, it is audible.
Please mark your attendance.
Ma'am, I am not involved.
Saurabh, your voice is not audible.
Ma'am, I am not enrolled. Hello.
Saurabh, use chat box. Your voice is not audible.
Ma'am, he is telling that he is not enrolled.
Saurabh, your name is not shown in LMS. You are enrolled in other subject. Saurabh, you enrolled in other subject.
No, ma'am.
Anyone can hear the Saurabh voice. किसी को सौरभ की आवाज सुनाई दे रही है क्या? अगर किसी को आवाज सुनाई दे तो मुझे कन्वे कर दो थोड़ा।
नहीं आ रही मैम आवाज।
शायद मेरे
हेलो।
ओके मेरे ही सिस्टम में प्रॉब्लम है। जस्ट वेट। Okay, Saurabh, your name is not shown in LMS.
तो क्या करना होगा मैम?
तुम्हारा किसी दूसरे सब्जेक्ट में एनरोल्ड है?
नहीं मैम।
6 सेमेस्टर के एक भी सब्जेक्ट में तुम्हारा एनरोलमेंट नहीं है हुआ है अभी तक?
6 सेमेस्टर में है मैम, खाली इसी में नहीं है, बाकी सारा में है।
ओके, बाकी सारे सब्जेक्ट में तुम्हारा एनरोलमेंट है? 6 सेमेस्टर के
मैम।
सब्जेक्ट में तुम्हारा इनरोलमेंट है। ठीक है, तुम अपने नेम का स्पेलिंग बोलो एक बार।
हाँ मैम।
स्पेलिंग बोलो फिर से।
SO।
SO।
हाँ मैम, SOU
हाँ हाँ।
RAV
ईमेल आई
KUMAR।
ईमेल आईडी क्या है?
ईमेल आईडी सौरभ कुमार
हम्म
हल्दर
Send me your name, roll number, and email ID on WhatsApp.
ओके मैम।
Okay. So let's start today class. So in last class we have a study about canal designing and theory given by Lacey and Kennedy. Okay, that part is over. And also we have solved one numerical on Lacey and one numerical on Kennedy design. Okay, so today's topic is lining of canal. Today topic is the lining of canal. So what do you mean by lining of canal? Lining in canal. Lining of canal. So what is the significance of lining of canal?
Alignment.
Alignment. Lining means lining significance what? Lining means a layer. Okay. So for what purpose we can use lining or we can use layer? So losses in canal is due to seepage. Losses in canal is major reason is the seepage losses. Major loss in canal is seepage losses. So for prevention of this loss, we have to use lining of canals of earthen surface of channels, and the material used for lining of canal is either concrete, either tiles, either asphalt or bricks, etc. These material are used for lining of canal. So while lining of canal significance that earthen surface of the channel or canal is lined with a stable line surface. So what is the a stable line surface? So a stable line surface is made from either concrete, tiles, asphalt or brick for the prevention of seepage losses. Okay, if the unlined canal is there, unlined canal means the base of the canal or surface of the canal is earthen surface. So in earthen surface, seepage is more. But if earthen surface is covered or removed by earthen surface is lined by this surface, either concrete, asphalt or brick, then seepage can be in control. So depending upon the type of lining adopted, the seepage losses can be reduced up to 2 to 3%. Okay, only reduce 2 to 3% of their original values. So after lining of canal use, seepage losses reduce. What purpose? Seepage loss reduce up to 2 to 3% of total seepage losses before the lining. So lining of canal is also based on seepage losses, and factor depends on seepage losses. So seepage losses depend upon types of line used, a particular extent of seepage control achieved. So that factor is types of lining, so types of lining we can use for unlined channel, cement and mortar layer we can use for line the surface of channel. Also we can use cement mortar with brick blast, cement mortar with brick blast. Also cement lime concrete we can use, cement lime and concrete we can use for the line of canal. So initial rate and final rate of seepage in these lining condition is, so for first condition initial rate of seepage is for cement mortar 0.17 million square meter of area. Okay, seepage, initial rate of seepage. Okay, this is the initial rate of seepage for which line surface if cement mortar is used. Okay, so if unlined surface, then if unlined surface of channel, then ratio of value of initial seepage rate is very high. Okay, but if lined surface is used and lime as a line surface material is used, cement mortar, then initial rate of seepage is that value is approximately 0.1 cumex, and if cement mortar with brick blast if used as a line surface, then it also reduced by this value and it can be 0.13 cubic per million square meter. And also if cement lime and concrete used as a line surface, then it reduced to, it is the 0.4. And the final rate, this is the initial rate after just lining. Final rate of seepage. So final rate of seepage after lined is for cement mortar 0.009, for cement mortar with brick blast is 0.007, and for cement lime concrete is, it also reduced from 0.4 to 0.13. This is the final seepage ratio. Okay, so as per our requirement, we can use lining can be done by either cement mortar surface, either cement mortar with brick surface, either cement lime and concrete mixture. So prevention also, lining of canal also prevention from water logging. Lined channel is also prevention of water logging. So uncontrolled seepage, if uncontrolled seepage is occurs, then it rises the water table level surrounding the field up to or near the ground level. So in that case, In that case, if lined canal is used, then water logging is also avoided. So next advantage of lining of canal is prevention of water logging. This is the also advantage of lining of canal. First advantage is the seepage losses reduce, and second advantage is the prevention of water logging. Okay, next advantage of lining of canal is increase in discharge capacity. If lossage is reduced, then obviously discharge capacity is increased. So third advantage is increase in style. Increase in discharge capacity. So if the capacity of canal depends upon the roughness of canal, discharge depends upon 1 by n. N is the roughness coefficient. So by using lined canal or lining the canal, roughness is reduced. Before the lining canal, surface is earthen. So in earthen surface, roughness is more, and in lined canal, roughness also reduced. So in that case, this coefficient value is less than, discharge is more. So for different line surface, different value of n, and q depends upon these values. So q also different, means discharge also different for different line surface. So first surface, if we can use cast in situ concrete lining, if we used cast in situ concrete lining, then value of n is the reference coefficient, then value of n is 0.01 to 0.018. 0.01 to 0.018. And if we use cement plastered masonry surface, this is used for lined. This is used for which purpose? Lined of channel weight. For lined of channel weight. So if cement plaster masonry used, then value of n is 0.012 to 0.015. So next lined canal is lining surface is from PCC tiles. If PCC tiles, this is very costly as compared to these two. So if PCC tiles is used, then roughness coefficient is also varies from 0.018 to 0.020. Again, if we use lined surface as brick lining, then also roughness coefficient is changed. For brick lining, if we use brick surface, then roughness coefficient is 0.012 to 0.018 to 0.02. And if boulder lining is used, then this value is 0.02 to 0.025. So these are the value of roughness coefficient N that depends on the line surface. Okay, by which material lining is used. So next advantage for lining of canal is increase in command area. So how we can say increase in command area by lining of canal? If canal is lined, then it is possible that increase in command area. What is command area? CCA, what is command area?
कितना हम लोग वाटर दिए क्रॉप को वो हो गया, मतलब कितने मतलब क्रॉप पे कितना पानी कितना एरिया इरिगेट हुआ वो हो गया कमांड एरिया।
कितना परसेंट लेते हैं कमांड एरिया? हाउ मच परसेंटेज ऑफ GCA? एंड व्हाट इज ग्रॉस कमांड एरिया?
80% लेते हैं.
80%
What is gross command area? Gross command area?
The total area which is available for the cultivation is known as total command area.
This is gross or cultivable? What?
Gross, ma'am. GCA.
Gross. GCA. And what is CCA? What is CCA?
मैम जितने मतलब टोटल ग्रॉस एरिया में से जितने पे कल्टीवेशन होता है और जितना एरिया इरिगेट होता है उसे CCA बोलते हैं.
कोई और बता सकते हो? CCA and GCA. GCA is the gross command area and it is the total area bounded within the irrigation of a project which can be irrigated without any limitation. Okay, total area that can be irrigated without any limitation, that is the gross command area. In gross command area cover entire village, but cultivable or cultivated command area, that is CCA. CCA is the part of gross command area that include what? Include only cultivation, or we can say where cultivation is possible, where only cultivation is possible. So CCA is the part of gross command area. Okay, where cultivation is possible. So if entire village is GCA, entire village is the GCA, so some part of village is only what? Cultivated command area. So this is the difference. So generally we have to use 80% of GCA is as CCA. Cultivable command area is 80% of GCA. Okay, so if canal is lined, then how we can say CCA is increased, command area is increased?
सीपेज लॉस नहीं होगा तो वो सारा पानी हम लोग के इरिगेशन पर्पस के लिए यूज होगा.
So means if discharge is increased, and how discharge is increased? If seepage is less, seepage is reduced, then discharge is increased. So discharge is increased, that means cultivable command area is also increased. Okay, so next advantage is the increase in command area. Okay, and next is the elimination of flood. So next advantage of lined canal is the elimination of flood. elimination of flood. So an unlined canal founded on weather foundation have always to tendency to fail and causing flooding of nearly filled. But if lined canal is used, then foundation didn't fail. Foundation क्या होगा? Fail नहीं होगा. In that condition, it also avoid flooding. Okay. If unlined canal is used, then it can be that foundation is failed. Yeah, foundation have tendency to fail. Okay. But if canal is lined, if foundation is lined, bed of channel is lined, then tendency of failure of foundation is reduced. So it also avoid from flooding. Next advantage is the maintenance cost is reduced. So if canal is lined, then maintenance cost is reduced. So canal lining is reduced maintenance cost in different manner. First, periodic removal of silt from bed and cross section or side of the canal. What is the maintenance work in canal? So some maintenance work that is generally done after canal construction. So that maintenance work is the silt removal. First maintenance work is the silt removal from the bed of the canal, also side of the canal, and second maintenance work is the some repair. If any cracks, any cuts are occurs at the side or base of the canal, then it also repaired. That is the minor repair, and it is a maintenance work. And also maintenance work is the removal of weeds and water plant. If any water plant is grown at the base of the foundation due to earthen surface, so that also have to remove. So removal of weeds and water plant, that is also a part of maintenance work. So this maintenance work is reduced or reduced after lined surface, after lining of canal. So some maintenance work is reduced. First maintenance work is the periodic removal of silt deposition at bed of the canal or sides. At bed and sides of canal. Second maintenance work is the what? Minor repairs. Minor repairs work also reduce. Minor repair work also reduce. Some repairs work means any cracks if developed or any cuts are developed, then after lined possibility is less. These cracks and cuts possibility is reduced. So this work is also reduced. Next maintenance work can be removal of beds and water plant. Beds and water plant. Okay. So after line of canal, this maintenance work is reduced. So maintenance cost is reduced. So financial justification of lining, it is financially economic or not. So how we conclude financial justification of lining? It is advantage or not for canal designing. Financial financial justification of lining of canal. So lining of canal करना either economical है और नहीं है, ये हमें check करना है. Financially it is economical or not. So it is expressed by a mathematical relation, and it's also justified by mathematical relation by benefit exceed annual cost. Benefit cost ratio, a mathematical expression that give correlation between benefit cost analysis. Benefit cost analysis. It is beneficial or not. So financial justification of lining canal can be followed as first is the annual benefit. So what is the annual benefit from canal? What is the annual benefit of canal? Only benefit, only focused on benefit, not about cost. So irrigation water is sold to cultivator that generate revenue. Okay, गवर्नमेंट अगर वाटर प्रोवाइड करती है फॉर इरिगेशन पर्पस, सो हमें क्या देने होते हैं? टैक्सेस देने होते हैं, हमें गवर्नमेंट को चार्ज देने होते हैं. ठीक है, दैट इज रेवेन्यू चार्ज. सो लेट कैनाल किसने बनाया? गवर्नमेंट ने बनाया. तो अगर कैनाल के थ्रू हमें वाटर सप्लाई हो रहा है तो उसे गवर्नमेंट को हमें एक टैक्स पे करना होगा. ओके, एंड उस टैक्स से गवर्नमेंट को बेनिफिट हो रहा है या नहीं ये चेक करना है. ठीक है, तभी तो गवर्नमेंट कैनाल प्रोवाइड करेगी ना, वरना नहीं करेगी. सो लेट रेट ऑफ इरिगेशन वाटर इज rate of irrigation water V R1, rate of irrigation water V R1 रुपया per cumex, okay, per cumex, okay, R1 rupees. And if X cumex of water is saved by lining canal, then additionally revenue is generated. What? And this is the charge by government, that is the rate of irrigation water per cumex is R1 rupees. And if X cumex of water is saved by lining, then additionally revenue generated is X into R1. After lining, but before lining only R1, but before lining discharge is also increased. ठीक है, losses of water is there, that means requirement of need of discharge is high. So if some amount of water is saved after lining, then that is the additional revenue generated by X into R1. Next is the if